So if you're selling any kind of online program, specifically an online course, and you want to sell more copies of that course without running any expensive paid ads or doing a bunch of content to drive traffic to that course, a good strategy for you may be to use affiliates to promote your online course. So in this video, I'm going to walk and talk you through how to actually sell more copies of your online course using the Kajabi affiliate program. Now, if you're new here and you don't know what Kajabi is, I am a Kajabi partner. I can get you a free 30-day trial of this platform. It's an all-in-one solution. All you need to do is head over to timpeakman.com/Kajabi and you can get access to a free account. It's double the length of the 14-day free trial available to the public. Once you sign up, you're going to get access to a free course from me called Kajabi Unbox. This is what I would do first, second, and third if I was to start unboxing a new Kajabi account. And yes, this is an affiliate link, but all that means is if you become a paying member, if you go past that 30 days and become a paying member of Kajabi like me, part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. But if you do become a paying member of Kajabi, I'm going to grant you another course. Just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I'm going to give you some of my sales page templates in a theme. You can just literally download the template and upload it to your Kajabi as a starter for 10. These are the templates I use for my sales pages in my online business. But to show you actually how to leverage affiliates to sell more of your online course, I'm going to hop over into my Kajabi account and show you exactly how to set that up from scratch. So here I am inside my Kajabi account. This is my live Kajabi account, and simply head to sales and then affiliates, and this is your affiliate dashboard. Now, if you don't have this function, you can always reach out to support to see if they can grant you this function. It all depends on what payment plan you are on. But the first few things you're going to look at is you will have a sign up link. So this is the link that you're going to share with people to actually promote your program. And then you're going to have a login link. So once those people have signed up, they're going to just be logging into their account. Now, Kajabi are quite good. They give them their own affiliate dashboard, but some of the things you're going to be wanting to do from the get-go to actually set this up is go into your settings. And as you can see here, you probably need to enable self-registration. So I would probably enable self-registration so they can actually sign up. All you have to do is promote the link, or you could actually invite these people just by putting in their email. But I would just enable self-registration. Some of the other settings here is a 30-day window. So what this is going to do is it's basically going to, if anyone signs up to your online course or your online programs with their link, within the 30 days that they've clicked on their link, then they're going to grant them some commission. So it's by default 30 days. You could have it 60 and 90 days. I'd probably recommend a 30-day default. Then create your first discount. So a couple of things here when you're doing an affiliate promotion. The best affiliate promotions are the ones that actually promote the actual subscriber and then your new customer. So you want to try and give your affiliate partner some kind of discount on the thing that you're selling, but also you might want to give the new subscriber or the new customer a discount. So you can actually create a new discount here. Discount title, you could probably say like 25% off, and this is just an internal title, and then discount is 25%, and then apply it once and then create a discount. Now you can give this discount or this coupon code to anyone that's signing up to your programs to actually give them a percentage off the list price. But in addition to that, you're going to give your affiliate member some type of discount off that. So it's a win-win. Your affiliate must be incentivized and individuals must be incentivized to come and join. So that's 25% off, and that's applied a discount code. Affiliate logo, I would probably put in just your main logo here. It just means that when they go to sign in and start their own account, that they know that it's you. And then here you've got a sign up page. So if I just click save before I go any further, you've got a sign up page, and then you've got a login page, and you can just preview these. So I'm just going to preview the sign up page. So I've got my logo at the top, sign up to be an affiliate. That's great. And then here you've got your login page. So if they're returning customers, they will just sign up or sign back into their affiliate dashboard. So what I'm going to do now is, firstly, I'm just going to show you a bit about this welcome email. If you're happy with this welcome email, I'm happy with this. It's just, I like to keep things as simple as possible. This welcome email is fine for me. This is the email that people will get if you're inviting them to be an affiliate. But you could just share, if I just save this and go back to the main outline, you could just share this sign up link. So this is the sign up link. If I copy that and go to a new window, and if you share this with all of your audience or all of your affiliates who you want to actually promote your content, you can share this link so they actually sign up with an account or for an account with you, and then they actually have a dashboard. So I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to use my personal email just to sign up for an affiliate so I can just show you what your affiliates will see in their dashboard. So there we have it. I've just signed in using my personal email, and it also asked for a PayPal email. So if you have a PayPal account set up, just put in the email that's associated to that account so you can actually receive your commissions for promoting this product. So as you can see here, this is, I am a test affiliate in this account, and there's 0 clicks, 0 form submissions, 0 conversions, and a 0% conversion rate. But this is the actual dashboard that any affiliates that you sign up, this is what they're going to see. So when they promote your link to other people to sign up for your programs, they're going to be seeing this dashboard. So the next step now is to go back into your affiliate account, and you've just got to try and create an offer that you're going to be sharing. You're going to try and apply this commission setup to an offer that you already have. So if I plug in users here, I can see that I am a user. I am an affiliate within my test account. And then all you need to do is go to commission setup. So you're going to try and find an offer that you already have. I'm going to go with this complete webinar blueprint that I have. I'm going to toggle it on. And again, I'm going to give another 25% and then hit save for any affiliates that actually promote this product. And each copy that is sold, the affiliate will get 25%. So for example's sake, if this was $100, $25 would go to the affiliate, and then I would also get them to apply the 25% discount coupon code. So the new subscriber would actually get 25% off. So now the next step is to get a link for this product so you can actually share it with your affiliates. So if you go across to share links, create a new affiliate link, and then the name is going to be, this is all about how to do webinars, custom URL. I want them to go to an offer checkout page, and then I want them to go to the complete webinar blueprint. And then I'm not going to have it as private. This is basically hiding the link from affiliates. I'm going to have this as off, save that. So this actually creates a link for this product for the complete webinar blueprint, so your affiliates can actually share this with their audience. So now all I have to do is go back into my test affiliate account. As you can see here, I don't have any share links. So if I refresh this page, I can now see a share link. So if you make a link live and make it discoverable in your affiliates account, they're going to see a link. So they're going to copy this link. And if they share this with their audience, then someone from their audience, if they click on it, like me just clicking on here, it will go straight to the offer. They can then apply the coupon code that they've been shared as well to get an extra 25% off. So the new student gets 25% off and the affiliate gets 25% off if this was then checked out. So if I then go back to my affiliate dashboard, refresh this, you can see that I have one click, no conversions. If I was to go ahead and purchase this product or purchase or check out, this would then say 1 conversion and then a 100% conversion rate. So it's entirely up to you how you split this difference. If you wanted to give people 50% off your online programs, 30% off your online programs, it's entirely up to you, your strategy for trying to get more students involved with your courses. But just have a think about how you can benefit the affiliate and how you can also benefit your new students inside your programs. So that is it. That's all you have to do to set up a new affiliate account, make it available for your audience and your audience to share it with their audience to try and get more sales and more students inside your online courses. And that link once more, if you wanted to take Kajabi for a spin, head on over to timpeakman.com/Kajabi, where again, I'm going to automate you a free course Kajabi unboxed as soon as you sign up. It'll just be in your inbox. It's what I would do first, second, and third to actually unbox my Kajabi account. And then again, if you go over those 30 days and know it and love Kajabi like I do, and use it as a platform for your online business, I'm going to grant you another offer. It's just those sales page templates, which you can actually populate inside your account. So hopefully that has helped. And now you know how to set up your affiliate program if you want more sales in your online courses. And I look forward to seeing you on another video soon.